Well, class, we continue with this video on page 47. Let's see. Yes, page 47. In this class, we're going to check question in the simple present. And those questions in the simple present are very easy. No? For the simple present question, we use auxiliaries. And we have two auxiliaries, do or does. And in negative form, don't or doesn't. Let's use colors. To remember the video before, no? Okay, orange here. Oh, I made a mistake. Here, highlight. Give me a second. Much better. Now it's okay. Remember the no. Oh, yes. The orange one is for I, you, we, and they, and the blue one he, she, it. For example, I, you eat healthy food. Do I? Do you eat healthy food? Yes, I do. Yes, you do. No, I don't. No, you don't. He, she, it meat. Does he eat meat? Does she eat meat? Does it eat meat? Yes, he does. Yes, she does. Yes, it does. No, he doesn't. No, she doesn't. No, it doesn't. We, you, and they buy fish. Do we buy fish? Do you buy fish? Do they buy fish? Yes, we do. Yes, you do. Yes, they do. No, we don't. No, you don't. No, they don't. Okay? Perfect. Remember, this space is from here. Okay? Is from here. No, don't get confused. Now, number 13. Look at the sentences in the chart. How do you form the simple present in questions? You have two options, letter A and B. Letter A says subject, auxiliary verb, main verb, other words. Or B, auxiliary verb, subject, main verbs, and other words. So the problem is here, because main verb, other words, subject, auxiliary verb. Okay, those are the pronouns, no? Those are the pronouns, excuse me. Those are the pronouns here. Or the subject. And here, do or does, no? So, we start with the auxiliary verb. Okay, this is the answer. Letter B. Okay. Write complete questions, then write short answers that are true for you. You have breakfast every day. Do you have breakfast every day? Yes, I do. Because everybody eats breakfast. No, everybody eats breakfast. You drink milk. Do you drink milk? Yes or no? Yes, I do. No, I don't. You and your friends. Not only you and your friends, okay? Be careful. Eat fruit. Do you and your friends eat fruit? Yes, we do. No, we don't. Your friend drink 8 glasses of water a day? Your friend, only one friend. Does your friend drink 8 glasses of water a day? Yes, he does. In the case of the boys, or yes, she does. No, he doesn't, or no, she doesn't. Your classmates have unhealthy snacks at recess? Does or do? Do or does? Classmates. Do your classmates, plural, have healthy snacks at recess? Yes, he does. Sorry. Yes, they do. I'm confused. Yes, they do. No, they don't. Be careful with short answers. Don't repeat the main verb. Do you drink milk? Yes, I do. Some people say, yes, I do drink milk. Yes, I drink milk. No, no, no. It's too much. Yes, I do. No, I don't. Okay? Just that's it. Interface. Working pairs ask and answer questions using the ideas in the box. Drink soft drinks. Eat vegetables. Eat sweets. Have a healthy diet. So, the idea here is to start like a conversation so that you can answer. Do you drink soft drinks? Yes, I do. I drink cola. So in this case, yes, I do, and there is a period, un punto, and then you give extra information. I drink cola. No, you don't say yes, I drink cola, or yes, I do, I drink cola. No, yes, I do, period. I drink cola. Yes, I do. I drink Coca-Cola, Inca Cola, Fanta, Sprite, 7 Up, whatever. And you can ask your friend, and what about you? No, I remember. And what about yourself? Do you drink soft drinks? Or maybe you can change. Do you eat sweets? Do you eat vegetables? Yes, no. Do you have a healthy diet? Okay, you are going to do this in class, so practice please. Grammar guide on page 54. If you need ideas, extra ideas or extra information is here. No, let me see here. Simple present, no, affirmative, negative, and the questions are here. No, we use a simple present to talk about routines and habits. I get up at 7 o'clock every morning. Routines and habits. We use a simple present to describe facts. She lives in Australia. Before the negative, we use done or doesn't before the verb. We usually use contracted form done or doesn't in conversation and informal writing. She doesn't like coffee. In question, we use do or does before the subject, not at the beginning. We don't repeat the verb in short answers. Do you like pasta? Yes, I do. No, I don't. And that's it. That is on that page. Now, let's continue. Our next topic is a listening activity, healthy eating. And there is a boy eating rice. Could be a possibility. Yes. Okay. Look at the picture. Underline the words in the box you can see. Uh-huh. Canteen, chopsticks, fast food, green tea, rice, and soup. Okay. Can you see a canteen? Yes, no? No, Mr. Canteen, canteen, canteen. Okay, okay, relax. Chopsticks. No idea. Fast food. I don't know. Green tea. No drink. Rice. Yes. Soup. Mm-mm. When I talk about canteen, canteen is not cantina. Canteen is like el comedor at school, where you eat. Chopsticks. The chopsticks are the famous in Spanish palitos chinos. Those are chopsticks, so chopsticks here. Fast food, you know fast food, no comida rápida. Green tea, special for Chinese people, té verde, rice and soup, sopa. So now, chopsticks and rice is here. Okay, now let's see. Listen to Aiko talking about food. Put the words in activity 1 in order you hear them. So, you are going to listen those ones. You need to put in order, okay? So, Mr. Chopsticks number 1, rice number 2, green tea. Okay, that's the idea, but you need to listen. Pay attention. Oh, excuse me, this is not the activity. I confused. Here is the activity.
Unit 3, Track 31, Activity 2.
Today I'm with Akio. He's 14 years old and he's from Japan. What do you normally eat, Akio? I mean, do you eat healthy food?
Yes, I do. People say that Japanese people live a long time because our food is very healthy.
And is it true?
I think so.
Well, what about you? Do you have breakfast?
Yes, I do. I have a traditional Japanese breakfast.
And what is that?
The traditional Japanese breakfast is a combination of fish, rice, and soup.
Really? Soup for breakfast. And fish?
Yes.
Do you or your family drink milk or coffee with your breakfast?
No, we don't. I drink hot water. And my mom drinks green tea. People don't really drink milk in Japan. We don't like it.
And do you have lunch at school?
Yes, I do. We eat in our classroom with the teacher. Some of the students go to the canteen.
Do you eat your food with a knife and fork?
No, we don't. We use chopsticks. And we all help to clean the classroom after we eat.
Excellent. What about fast food? Do you have Pizza Hut and McDonald's in your town?
Yes, we do. I love them.
Okay, remember, the idea was to listen to the audio and put in order the words from this vocabulary, no? For example, number one, rice. Number two, soup. Number three, green tea. Number four, canteen. Chopsticks for number five, and fast food for number six. I don't write, so the idea is you practice, you work on it, okay? Perfect. Does Aiko eat healthy food? Yes, he does, of course. No, yes, he does. Does he drink milk with his breakfast? What about this? No, he doesn't. No, he doesn't. He drinks hot water, and his mom drinks green tea. Does he lunch? Sorry, does he have lunch in the classroom? He said yes, he does, and some friends goes to the canteen. Does he eat with knife or forks? No, he doesn't. He eats with chopsticks. Does the student help to clean the classroom after lunch? Yes, they do. He said, yes, they do. Does he only eat traditional Japanese food? No, he doesn't. He eats also Pizza Hut and McDonald's. He said it's delicious. Okay, number four, interface. Working first, find out what your partner eats for breakfast. So, the idea here is to make an interview like the audio. Okay, so you're going to make an interview to your friends and then you have to answer. In this part, you will work se comunica in English. Okay, thank you very much. That's all for now. See you in class.